Nope. This isn't a shoe. There we go. Let's check it out. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media or you can give me a subscribe. Can't guarantee you'll see the professionalism like you just saw in this intro. Hi, pals. Want to give a big shout out to today's sponsor. We're doing Resjuvenator. Resjuvenator offers a very, very wide selection of awesome cleaning products for your sneakers. Today we're going to be featuring the individually wrapped sneaker wipes, which I will demonstrate later in the video for you. But we got another pickup for you to check out. This is the Nike Dunk High Pro SB in the Sail Crimson Wheat colorway. They're also called Phillies Blunts for obvious reasons. Two GRs that released earlier this year featured inspiration from two kind of liqueurs, I guess you could say. Talking about the Blue Furies and the Muslins, or the Hypnotic and the, what's the other one? Hennessy's? Yeah. And this one is no different, with people suggesting that the inspiration pulls from the packaging of the Phillies Blunts. Don't smoke, kids. Pictures of this sneaker first popped up, I want to say, late March on Nike SB or Nothing's Instagram page. So if you've been wanting these for a while, it's been really testing your patience. It's taken a very long time for these sneakers to see the light of day. The Nike Dunk High Pro SB Sail Crimson Wheat colorway features a mixture of upper material. You got sail suede on the mud guard, on the eyelets, and on the heel counter wrapping around. You have this white matte leather on the ankle, on the side panels, and on the vamp. You got this nice swoosh in the Team Crimson colorway that wraps around. You got a little ankle strap there too. You can also see the slightly bigger wheat swoosh that's underneath the Team Crimson swoosh, which is a really nice feature. Got sail laces on a white tongue. Got Nike SB branding in this blue. Got a wheat insole and the wheat liner. On the midsole, you have this white midsole with blue threading. The Team Crimson outsole with the wheat Nike SB branding on the arch support, I guess you could call it, area. Secondary laces on this shoe is the wheat to match the liner and the swoosh. So that's a really nice touch. I don't know if you guys can see on here. We're going to show you in a closer look, but look at that leather. The leather on this release is very good. Now, I'm saying very good for a Nike SB Dunk High Pro. I mean, you wouldn't see this kind of quality in like 2012, 2013, especially on a Dunk High, especially on a kind of general release. But yeah, these are surprisingly nice. So found some fun music. Let's take a closer look at the Nike Dunk High Pro SB in the Sail Team Crimson Wheat or Phillies Blunt colorway. Nike Dunk High Pro SBs fit true to size because they have a regular tongue. It's not a fat tongue like you would see on a Dunk Low Pro. For the most part, Nike Dunk High Pro SBs and mids also fit true to size. So go with your true to size if you're interested in these. These released, they're supposed to be the June general release. They're few and far between. I got my pair from Uprise. They did a raffle. I don't think CCS or the heavy hitters like Tactics, Skate Park of Tampa, or Black Sheep have really released them yet. I could be wrong though. As always, check your local or favorite skate shops, social media, or official website to try and find out any kind of release information for this really, really nicely done Dunk High Pro SB. My personal thoughts on it, I'm not a huge fan of the colorway just because it's a little bit too bright. I think it's kind of cheeseball using Philly Blunts as an inspiration for our Nike SB colorway, but hey, that's me being a loser. Overall, I think the quality is very good for a Nike Dunk SB. It's really well done. My pair in particular has a little bit of a factory defect. If you guys can see the swoosh, how it's a little bit off-centered, which is cool, I guess. I've seen a lot of issues with even the ACGs that someone got. My buddy Earl Dabbington had a weird pair with a midsole threading was through an area that it shouldn't have been. So definitely check these out if you can. I haven't seen what resale prices are on them. The retail was 110, right? I don't remember what retail was. I got to put it on the screen. I want to give a big thanks also to Reshoevnator for sponsoring this video. Check out my referral link in the video description if you want to check it out, or just go to reshoevnator.com. They have a lot of really good things to keep your shoes clean and protect your shoes if you're into that. So there you go. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And that should be it. So thanks again. Take care of each other. And remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.